Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can listen to your Spotify radio playlist. What you're going to do is you're going to create a playlist, or if you already have a playlist, that's even better. You're just going to right click on one of your playlists. For instance, I'm just going to right click on this one. Right click, and then you are going to select go to playlist radio. And if you open your playlist radio, it's going to add in more songs that are in like similar genres and like moods, I think. And it's going to load more songs as you listen. So this is also a great way to find new music to listen to. So yeah, if you press the play button here, it's going to open up more songs that aren't in your playlist already, and maybe if you like it, you can add it to your playlist. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!